Most laptop display issues can be resolved with some quick and easy troubleshooting. So if your screen is being problematic, try these simple resolution steps. The first thing to do is to closely inspect the screen for any physical damage. Try moving the laptop screen back and forth. If you detect any physical damage on your display, contact the Dell tech support agent through social media on Facebook or Twitter. Run the ePSA Diagnostics. Pay close attention during the test to see if the issue continues to occur. Restart your Dell PC. When the Dell logo appears, press the F12 key to enter the one-time boot menu. Using the arrow keys on your keyboard, navigate to Diagnostics and press Enter. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the diagnostics. If you receive any error codes, make note of them and contact the Dell tech support agent for assistance. If no errors were found, update the BIOS and system drivers using Dell Support Assist. Using Windows Search, look for and select Support Assist. Open Support Assist and navigate to Drivers and Downloads. Click on Run Now. Support Assist will automatically show all the available updates. Click on Install and follow the on-screen instructions. Afterwards, check to see if you are still having display issues. The next thing to try is to reinstall the video driver. Do this from within the Dell support website. Go to dell.com/support and click on Detect PC. Select Drivers and Downloads. In the category field, select Video. Locate and download the latest update. Run the executable file, and then click on Install. Complete the process by following the on-screen instructions. If you're still experiencing display issues, contact the Dell tech support agent for further assistance through social media on either Facebook or Twitter. You can also visit the Dell community forum to see what others might be saying about the subject. Be sure to explore the Tech Support Dell channel for more helpful tips and tutorials and become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.